To start off with, I want to give you a little style timeline review. So let's dial it back. For about 2 years, we were all about comfy. In other words, we were basically living in our sweats, right? Then we got excited to get dressed and dressed up again. And now it seems the style pendulum may have just stopped somewhere smack in the middle, introducing an all-new fashion genre known as power casual. In today's Style File, what it is, what it looks like, and how to wear it. Studio 5 style contributor Casey Matheny is all over it. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Nice and tan from some beach time, I see.
Thank you.
Looking very summery. Power casual. Are you a fan?
Casual. Of course.
Yes?
Like, who's not? It's stretchy, it's comfortable, it's elasticized, and it's polished, which I feel like we are all looking for right now.
Yeah, a little tucked in.
Yeah, a little tucked in, but still like able to move. And you know, getting out of the pandemic, that's what we want to look nicer, but still stick to those comfier days.
It's kind of like now we have standards and expectations of how clothing should feel.
It is so true. Like people having to go back to work, like, okay, gotta wear my heels.
Will we ever wear denim again? We don't know. But power casual makes it so we don't have to. But you can wear this to work too?
Absolutely, you could wear this to work. This is just when you want to feel put together, but still comfortable. This just elevates like a daily wear.
I love that you've given us combinations because it gives us permission to shop our closets, see
Totally.
what we have to pull off these looks.
Yes.
So the first one involves a jumpsuit.
Yeah, so I just want you to feel inspired. I love a jumpsuit. I feel like a jumpsuit is the perfect combination to feel polished and elevated, but like this is a stretchy
it's pajamas.
fabric. It is pajamas. Yeah. And if you want to bump it up, I always say jewelry, the heels, accessories, like that is where you do it. You could very easily like wear this more casual with flats, but I love like a funky textured heel.
Look at that.
To bring something fun into it.
Yeah, I love the jumpsuit as well because I can mom it. I can run around, get on the ground. It stretches and moves with me. But you're right, you throw on a pair of sassy shoes and you've got a polished work outfit too.
Absolutely. I did hear a funny quote about a jumpsuit the other day.
What?
It said, everyone loves a jumpsuit, but when you're in the bathroom, it's just you and your actions.
It's so true.
And it's so true, but
we still don't think of that. When we buy a jumpsuit, when I wear a jumpsuit, when I see another woman in the jumpsuit, we don't think about what has to happen behind the closed restroom door.
It doesn't stop me.
Yeah.
It's worth it.
All right, you say elasticized pant, and I'm saying, is this elasticized?
It is in the back. It's like a hidden elasticized. It's
lovely.
It is elasticized. We're gonna see how many times we can say it. The key to this is we're not looking at like the Lululemon on-the-go pants. We want a nicer, more polished pant, but it's still comfy and it's very tailored and put together. And to elevate this again, bring in a blouse, a button up or just a beautiful blouse. And then I love you guys, I'm gonna say texture a million times because I love bringing texture somehow in your outfit. In this case, it's through the shoes and even that necklace, just some texture and fun.
So when you say texture, that can just be like a raised fabric
or
the metallic of the necklace. Your texture.
You got the metallic, you've got the pearls, you've just kind of got something for the eye to lock in on.
Listen, if I can run around in a pant that stretches and look like that, then why am I wearing my gym clothes longer than I need to, right? That's just as comfortable.
And you know what? Swap out the blouse for a beautiful just tuck-in tee that maybe has, I don't know, just some fun, maybe a pattern or just something texture? Something to excite the eyes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm kind of laughing at myself because I'm scrolling and I'm saving and I'm putting in my bag these blazers, which when I first entered the broadcasting world many years ago, blazers were still part of like workwear. Now they're considered just a trendy casual piece.
Absolutely. I mean, this is the piece that you could take into an office, whether it's definitely like marketing, tech, something more relaxed, a Zoom call, but this is also just awesome for a girls' night out.
Women are wearing these as layers, right?
Absolutely. Oh my gosh, you could do like the cute shorts and a blazer. Like it's all over the place. I love the graphic, brings a visual in and just a little bit more interesting. Maybe even something that you love, maybe a team you love, you can rep that in a graphic.
You stopped yourself from saying texture, didn't you? You stopped yourself. Good.
I did.
Good control. If I'm wearing it with jeans, what am I wearing with for shoes?
Okay, so I mean, it totally depends on where you're going. You could do sandals, you could do white tennis shoes. These are actually from Amazon and one of like my favorite new.
These are great.
Aren't they fun? Yes, they're like a knit. Yes.
A knit heel with a little bitty baby, like an inch pop at the back. Those are
so
fabulous.
cute. So this also just adds a little lift and just polish to a fun blazer outfit.
I'm gonna need the link for those. Promise she'll share.
Good.
She's a share girl.
Those are
All right,
good.
a dress you say has a place in this power casual movement.
Yes, I love a dress, and you know, it doesn't have to be a stodgy, like very structured dress. I love bringing in color and texture and looseness and something that you can play with your kids in, or dress up, throw like a pretty sweater, play off the color pattern, and go for a date night.
I love it. I actually went to lunch with a girlfriend. She kept a sweater draped like that over her shoulders the entire lunch.
You just don't
and I
move.
was like,
Don't
is
move.
that it?
You don't move.
Oh, she looked so pulled together, and I was slopping it in my mom's, not sweats, but you know.
Yeah, an elasticized waist.
An elasticized waist for sure. I love this. And the color combinations, I feel like you can play with the rainbow a little bit more than you normally would during the summer, right?
Yeah.
It lends itself
If
to
that
brighter.
scares you though, keep it monochromatic or just stick with your neutrals.
Okay.
Like neutrals or monochrome is always a great way, safe way to look polished and put together.
What's our fifth power casual combination?
Okay, so coming out of the pandemic, we are just wanting oversized everything, right? Like that just kind of lended to a trend. And so these unstructured yet still kind of tailored button-ups are very in. They may seem a little boxy, but it doesn't mean that you have to look sloppy.
Okay.
So this does have a little bit of unstructured to it, but then we're gonna bring in a more fitted trouser. It's all about proportion. So if you're gonna be a little more volume on top, you wanna stay more fitted on bottom, or vice versa. So these are just a nice neutral trouser with a pretty pattern top.
Look how you kind of repeated the pattern though. A little snakeskin something going on, and a little snakeskin on the shoe. It's neutral, I get it, but it's kind of a fun double up.
And texture.
Long-lived texture. These are great shoes, actually.
Thank
All right,
you.
power casual. You now have 5 combinations. You can shop your closet, feel inspired to be a little more polished, but still comfortable because we're not letting go of it. Where can we see more inspiration from you, Casey?
Yeah, you can go to my website at caseymatheny.com or my Instagram at caseymathenystyle.
People might throw things at the TV if I ask this, but are you already forecasting fall? Are you already peeking into?
I was trying hard to not bring fall into this. I'm like, blazer, but we'll keep the pants light because, I'm very excited.
All right, well, we'll give it a few more weeks before we lean into that conversation with Casey, but hit up her website for more fashion ideas and style tips and advice. Thank you so much. Good job.